What are faux panels? This is one of our most frequently asked questions. Faux panels are high-quality wall panels that expertly replicate the beauty and texture of natural materials, but they're crafted from durable, lightweight, high-density polyurethane. Each panel is molded from real stone, brick, wood, or rock, capturing every intricate detail from the worn edges of rustic bricks to the fine layers in natural stone. Thanks to this precision, our panels offer an incredibly authentic look, with interlocking seams that blend seamlessly for a flawless finish. What sets Barron Designs apart is the craftsmanship behind each panel. At our North Carolina facility, skilled artisans hand-paint every piece, ensuring that no two panels are exactly alike. This artistry eliminates visible patterns, making your installation truly one of a kind. Not only do these panels look stunning, but they're also lightweight, easy to handle, and won't add unnecessary weight to your structure. Installation is straightforward, requiring basic DIY tools and skills. Plus, we offer detailed instructions and helpful videos in the resources section of our website to guide you every step of the way. Ready to bring this transformative design solution into your home? Visit barrondesigns.com for more information, or give us a call at 1-800-651-4223. Our expert customer experience and design support teams are here to assist with any questions you may have.